Hi dear students, myself Mr. Gaurav Rajendra Thunduraikar. Today I am here with new video. Before starting this video, if you not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. I have shortlisted an important as well as useful sentences for informal communication. You may note down all these sentences in your notebook. This is the third part of same topic. You may watch my previous video also. Please excuse me. I will try to change my behavior. Actually, I did it unknowingly. I promise you that your advice would be guideline for me in my life. I will not repeat same mistakes in future. Now I understand my mistake. Forgive me if it is possible. I think you may forgive me heartily. Here are some sentences useful for basic inquiry of someone. Hi, where you come from? How you started your journey? How much time you spent in traveling? What's your final station? I'm living here since 5 years. You have any relative here? Can I help you? Will you tell me this address? Is this bus or station? How far the airport from here? You want domestic or international airport? If you need any information, call me on this number. Which is nearest hotel from here? Nice chatting with you. You have talkative face. Are you going alone or with your all family members? Which is your native place? I have killed too much time at the bus stand till the bus arrived. Can you drive a motorcycle? What time you leave office? My house is too close from your relatives. We both are in the need of same bus to go there. Here I have shortlisted useful sentences for students and teachers during the lecture. Sir, may I ask you any doubt? Can you repeat a thing for some time? This concept not clear to me. Would you like to explain it once again? Yesterday I was absent in the class, so I am totally unaware about homework. I forgot an assignment book at home. My assignment book is incomplete. On yesterday, I was suffering by fever and cold. Where is your homework? Why you were absent on yesterday? If you late again, I will give you punishment. I'm arranging parents meeting on tomorrow, so everyone tell this news to your parents. Behave yourself. Follow these principles in your life. Complete every task on time. Continue your sustainable efforts for achieving a success. Don't afraid to failure. Mr. Bhujbal is teaching English very well. Who teaches maths? Who is principal in your college? Do you have any fear about your teachers? Who is your favorite teacher in school? What's your favorite subject? Do you have a sympathy over weak students in the class? Who is your sports teacher? Develop your writing skill. You draw very beautiful sketch. How you learn discipline in your life? What's the use of discipline? Obey of your elder person. I can't express myself in hundreds of students. Can you complete multiple tasks at a time? My students are very sincere about a physical exercise. You have only one chance to complete this task. I will check your assignment on tomorrow morning. Don't be absent on tomorrow. Don't enter into the class without seeking a permission. See notice board before departure from a school. Take active participation in cultural activities. Don't blame each other for your failure. Comment on this topic individually. I like frankly speaking students. Share your all problems with class teacher. This is a guest teacher for you. You want a guideline for maths? Have your parents granted a permission you for tour? Do you like activity-based learning? I want to ask few questions on last lecture. Give me your identity card. Tomorrow there is a holiday for everyone. How you come to the college regularly? I like your approach. You have lots of resource material of every subject available in the college library. Tomorrow onwards, we will learn new chapter of science subject. There is a tremendous effect of social media channel on students' behavior. It's your lunch time. We will continue our discussion after having a lunch. Would you like to take a break for a few minutes? Do you want music teacher who is able to handle all musical instruments? Who has written this article? Who found out an answer of these numerical examples? Comment on an autobiography of famous political person. Did you finish project work? Complete your revised study of every subject before an examination. It's compulsory for every student to wear college dress in tomorrow function. Important sentences for having a discussion between conductor and passenger. Where to, sir? At a station road. How much is an amount of ticket for station road? Can you help me to get Station Road? How far is a Station Road from here? What's time a second bus leave for a Station Road? Do you have a change for 500 rupees? Yes, here it is. Thanks for helping me in my journey. Wish you happy journey. Once again, thanks for watching my video from beginning to end. If you like my video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.